Welcome to Study Loop.
In this problem, let us first calculate the value of del H d T2. So it will be equal to del H d T1 plus del Cp T2 minus T1. So this value will be equal to del H d 25 degree centigrade plus del Cp 68 degree centigrade minus 25 degree centigrade. So it will be equal to 10 kcal per mole plus 1650 cal per mole per degree centigrade multiplication 43 degree centigrade. So on solving it further, you can write this value as 10,000 cal per mole plus 70950 cal per mole degree per degree centigrade multiplication degree centigrade, which is equal to 80950 cal per mole. Now I will calculate the value of del HDTM. Del HDTM is equal to del HDTM by Tm, which is equal to del HD 68 degree centigrade by 68 degree centigrade, which is equal to 80950 by 68 plus 273. So you will get this value as 237.4 cal per mole per Kelvin. Now I will calculate the value of del HD T2, which is equal to del HD T1 plus del Cp ln T2 by T1, which is equal to 273.4 plus 1650 ln 37 plus 273 by 68 plus 273. So on further simplification, you will get this value as 80.65 cal 80.65 cal per mole per Kelvin per Kelvin. Now I will calculate the value of del S dt2. Del S dt2 is equal to del S dt1 plus del Cp plus del Cp ln T2 by T1, which is equal to 237.4 plus 1650 ln 288 by 341. So on further simplification, you will get this value as minus 43.1 cal per mole per Kelvin. Now we can say that at 15 degrees centigrade, the entropy change for this particular protein is recognized as less than zero. This can also be stated that there is a decrease in entropy on the folding of protein unfolding. This would probably result from an elevation in the order of water molecule salivating hydrophobic side chains of amino acid. Now I will calculate the value of del HD T2 del SD T2, which is equal to del SD T1 plus del Cp ln T2 by T1, or 0 is equal to 237.4 plus 1650 multiplication ln T2 by 341. So on further simplification, you can write the value of T2 as T2 is equal to 341 Kelvin multiplication exponential of -237.4 by 1650. So answer will be equal to 341 Kelvin multiplication 0.87, which is equal to 297 Kelvin. At around 297 Kelvin, the various contribution to the unfolding entropy tends to cancel each other. There is no variance in entropy between the folded and unfolded state. Thus, the value of del HD at different temperature and the temperature at del HD is equal to 0 are determined, and their signification are also explained.